Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Florentin. We are going to learn animals in French. Animal in French. Les animaux, animals. We have different types of animal. We have domestic animal. We start from domestic animal. After we go to the next ones. So you look at the picture and you see the name. So we are learning the pronunciation, how to read the names in French. Let's go. You will say it after me. Le chien. Le chien. C-H-I. Ch. Le chien, le chat, le hamster, le lapin, le lapin, le lapin, le lapin, le poisson rouge. Le poisson rouge, this one is fish, red fish, the poisson rouge. So we have different type of animals. So yeah, you have to read them in general first. After we go deep into them. Les animaux de la savane, animals that we can see in the savannah. L'éléphant, say it after me. L'éléphant, la girafe, le singe, le crocodile, le crocodile, le tigre, le lion, le rhinocéros, le zèbre. Now we have les animaux aquatiques. Animals that live in the water. Les animaux aquatiques. La raie, la tortue. Just be repeating it. La tortue. Le dauphin. La baleine. Le requin. La méduse. L'orque. Now, les animaux de la banquise. Animals that you can see at the beach. Le pingouin, l'ours polaire, le morse, le phoque. Now we have les animaux de la ferme. Animals that you can see in the farm. Les animaux de la ferme. Le cochon. La vache. Le cheval. Le canard. La poule. Le coq. La chèvre. la chèvre, le mouton, le mouton, le mouton. Now we have les petites bêtes, small animals, small. All these insects, that's what they call les petites bêtes. Insects, les insectes, call them in French also les insectes. L'araignée, les spider. Le moustique, le moustique, mosquito. La coccinelle, la coccinelle. La coccinelle. Le criquet, l'alimence, l'escargot, la sauterelle. Now we want to thank you. You can replay the video and repeat them so that we go to the assignment. You read this assignment so that you know how to read it, and the letters of the animals are mixed together. So you will rearrange the letters so that to have the right name. Tout le monde, number 1. Tout le monde sait que les dages aiment le miel et le saumon. Everybody knows that the dages like honey and salmon. Honey and salmon is a fish that they call salmon. Number 2. Les dages aiment les carottes. Ils ont de grandes oreilles et sautent dans les champs. The dages like carrots. They have long and big ears and used to jump in the farm. Number 3. Personne ne sait s'il est rayé noir sur blanc ou blanc sur noir. Nous parlons évidemment du dash. No one knows whether it is strap, black on white or white on black. What is it? You will rewrite it. Number 5. In France, il chante Coucou. En Angleterre, Coucou. COCK-A-DOODLE-DOO. En Allemagne, KIKERIKI. Il s'agit de, in France, it sings. This animal sings. Coucou. In England, this is how it sings. COCK-A-DOODLE-DOO. In Germany, this is how it sings. Kikeriki. Which animal is it? You will choose it from the option. You will just write it. Just rearrange the letters to write it. Number 5. Que les dages poussent vite plus de 100 ans. Sais-tu que les dages pouvaient vivre plus de 100 ans? Malheureusement, elles sont en danger. Do you know that the dash can live for more than 100 years? Unfortunately, they are in danger. What is it? You pick from these letters to write that animal. Number 6. Les dages sont un vrai fléau pour les vacanciers d'été. Pour les vacanciers l'été. Leur piqûre démangent fortement. Les dages sont un vrai fléau pour les vacanciers l'été. Leurs piqûres démangent fortement. The dash are a right plague for people in holidays. They stink. You to cause great damage in the body. What is it? You will choose. Number 7. Le dash est le roi des animaux. Très craint, il ne fait pourtant quasiment rien de sa journée. Rien de sa journée. The dash is the king of the animals. They fear him, but he doesn't do anything throughout the day. Which animal is it? Number 8. Aussi appelé le meilleur ami de l'homme, le dash adore jouer et manger les os. Also called the best friend of human being, the dash like to play and break bones. What is it? Number 9. Le dash est très rusé. Il adore manger les poules. The dash is very crafty. He likes to eat chicken, fowl. What is it? Number 10. Nageant dans tous les océans du globe, les dash effraient les hommes, bien que peu d'entre eux soient une réelle menace. Nageant dans tous les océans du globe, les dash effraient les hommes, bien que peu d'entre eux soient une réelle menace. Swimming in all the oceans of the globe, the dash make people to be afraid, and the few of them are real tormenting. Thank you. You will do your assignment and you will help us share this video, like it, and submit your assignment in the comment. Thank you. See you next time.